So Lucas, now our problem is write a C program to calculate the sum of all number between 5 to 50. Also include 5 and 50 in it. So let's start. Hash include studio.h int main. Now we have to write int n for and also sum for n is equal 5 and n is less than equal to 50. N plus plus here sum equal to sum plus n. Okay, in starting we have defined sum is equal to 0. Now here printf sum is percentage d comma sum. Now in last what we then return 0. So let's run it. So guys, here it is giving us output 1265. So guys, thank you for watching the video.